Home, a word that invokes a lot of emotions. It makes us prioritize connectivity, a comfort zone that gives us easy access, efficient travel, and recreational benefits. Pebbles Urbania delivers them all, a property gem nestled in the very heart and soul of Bhavnagar. Bhavnagar, a hub situated on the ND Road and at the core of hassle-free zone of Kothrood and Aund. This gated community is within commuting distance to the Hinjawadi IT Park, which also serves as an approach road for Mumbai-Bangalore Highway. Urbania is situated at close proximity to all the major commercial centres. Well connected to IT centres like Baner and Pashan. Reputed hospitals at 10-minute travel. More than 5 educational zones within 10-minute distances. Everyday necessities like banks, restaurants, transportation, auto sales and service, hotels, shopping are within reach too. Keeping in mind future connectivity as well, it is only 2 kilometers from the proposed metro station. You asked for connectivity. We made it happen. Pebbles Urbania, homes you asked for.